It's been too long.
It's been way too long. My God.
Sorry, it's a disaster out here again.
So I threw my back out, so I'm going to have a little bit of time off, so I guess I can get back to making videos again. So today we're going to take and try out this new PLA wood grain filament from Priline?
Never heard of it.
Never heard of it either. Had good reviews on Amazon.
Then again, everything's a rebrand of a rebrand.
Cool thing with this one is they gave you like 3 different color options on wood. I have never had options on wood color. That totally didn't sound right. Anyway, this one, there was 3 colors. There was one that was a tan, which is more the what you always see. There was this color, and then there was also a rosewood color. But I got the dark wood, so I figured give that a shot, see how it will work. Oh yeah, that's satisfying right there. You hear that?
Jimmy's getting out all his rage and frustration on the bag.
Yeah, I gotta go get papers filled out now. Oh my God. Go to the doctor, get my back popped hopefully. Anyway, that is a cool looking color. So, what happened is my friend Nelson had destroyed his Groot whenever he was moving. And so he asked me to reprint his Groot for him. I told him sure. I didn't tell him I was going to do it in a darker color filament. Anyway, today we're going to use the Sidewinder X1. We're going to give it a shot on that. This has got the larger nozzle on it. I think it'll work pretty good for it. So I'll get it set up, start printing, and see you at the end of the time lapse. Okay guys, so that took about 15 hours to complete, and I mean we can play with the heat settings and stuff like that. It's not horrible, it's definitely salvageable. For first time printing with this filament, I think it turned out pretty decent. There we go. Underneath his leg. I probably should have reheated the bed just a hair, just to get things loosened up a little bit easier. In fact, let me just do that. I'll be right back with you. There we go. I'll tell you, if you ever have problems taking something off the build tack, just heat it up to about 60 degrees Celsius, and it helps a lot. Anyway, let's bring them over here closer. I love the color of that filament. We definitely would have to do some more adjustments on it because there was sure a lot of like strings and stuff catching. When it was doing the infill, I noticed it kept drawing it out to the edge of it. The infill really wasn't sticking that well to itself. I think part of it was we didn't have Z-Hop enabled, and I think that might have been a lot of it. But he's definitely salvageable. I can take and sand him down a little bit, and with the heat gun, I think it would look just fine. But that color wood looks great. It definitely is a wood PLA because you can smell the kind of that wood smell when it gets warm. So all in all, turned out all right. I mean, this was the machine with a larger nozzle. I think it's a 0.8 millimeter nozzle, so it's got a lot, does thicker layer lines to begin with. But definitely came out decent. Just wish I would have adjusted things a little bit better. Anyway guys, thank you for watching. Take care, and I'll catch you in the next one.